Good morning. Welcome to the Docket for County Court of Law number 4 for Monday, October 31st, 2022. This proceeding being broadcast live via YouTube in compliance with the Open Courts Act. It is not to be recorded, re-recorded, or redisseminated for any purposes whatsoever. Okay. State of Texas versus Merlin for Cheyenne. Mr. Bruce Jordan. Traffic tickets. I think Mr. Jordan, you're the only one that's here left for the traffic tickets, correct? On Castillon?
Judge, I'm here as well, yeah, on those traffic citations. I guess if I can get to a breakout room with either prosecutor.
Okay, go ahead and go in the breakout room with breakout room 2 with Mr. Bosis. Ms. Thompson, I'm going to put you in breakout room 1, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
There you go. State of Texas versus Alvin Coleman, Mr. Sheffield. State of Texas versus Fidencio Rodriguez, Mr. Rocha.
Good morning, Your Honor. Counsel present. I need to speak to the district attorney when I get a chance, just for one detail. Otherwise, it's complete.
Okay, breakout room number 2 with Mr. Bosis.
Thank you.
State of Texas versus Rosemary Salcedo, Mr. Acevedo. State of Texas versus Jose Rodriguez, Mr. Hernandez. State of Texas versus Angelica Fuentes, Mr. Ramos. State of Texas versus Edward Davila, Mr. Roundtree. State of Texas versus George Caldera, Mr. Wilson.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Judge, I'm present.
Mr. Wilson, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Good. I think you need to move away from the computer or away from the in courtroom device.
Let me step out.
Okay. You probably need to step out of the courtroom, Mr. Wilson. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, Judge, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay. What do we got going on with Mr. George Caldera?
Well, we probably need to confer again. I think the state was trying to figure out how they wanted to proceed.
Okay, let me put you in breakout room number 1.
All right, thank you.
There we go. State of Texas versus Destiny Garcia, Mr. Cox. State of Texas versus Keith Miles, Mr. Cox. State of Texas versus Roberto Casanova, Mr. Staten.
I'm present, Your Honor. This is a trial call docket. I'll confer with the state.
Okay. Let's put you in breakout room 2. State of Texas versus Rosemary Salcedo, Mr. Acevedo. State of Texas versus Jake Stevens, Ms. Blake. Only pending. State of Texas versus Angelica Fuentes, Mr. Torres. Oh, Mr. Acevedo ain't here yet. State of Texas versus John Guzman, Mr. Stenberg.
Here, sir. Here, Your Honor.
Okay, sir. We'll wait for Mr. Stenberg.
Yes, sir.
State of Texas versus Pearl Lopez, Miss Wendy McLennan.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm asking for a reset on that case because she has a felony pending. I'll likely resolve this case.
Okay, February 1st, felony pending.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too.
State of Texas versus Hannah Garcia. Anyone from Mr. Kalfa's office?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here for Hannah Garcia.
Okay, Mr. Pizzana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are we gonna do with, this is a call docket?
Yes, sir. Your Honor, we're actually, we're fine with setting it for trial. We just have one little issue, which is, we still don't have the blood discovery in this case. So we were wondering if we can.
Okay, it's on the call docket, so it's set for trial next Wednesday. Let me put you in breakout room. Actually, no, it'll be the following Wednesday. I'm waiting for Stephanie to log on. She's having computer issues. Let me put you in breakout room number 2 with Mr. Bosis.
All right.
All right, there we go. State of Texas versus Julia Martinez, Mr. Oscar Hernandez.
Morning, Judge. She has a felony pending.
Okay, we will give you February 1st.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good one. State of Texas versus John Guzman. It's Mr. Okay. State of Texas versus Hector Gonzalez, Mr. Richard Garcia.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good, sir.
So Mr. Gonzalez is still trying to get me the driver's license and insurance, and he owed a lot of money, so he's been working on it diligently. So I don't know what to do.
6 setting.
Yep.
I'm going to set it for trial for February 13th.
Trial February 13th. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, sir. Have a good one. Mr. Gonzalez, your excuse, sir.
Gracias.
State of Texas versus Manuel Rodriguez, Mr. Arnulfo Ortiz. Okay, we'll come back to that.
I'm here, sir.
Okay, so let's wait for your attorney.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Individuals who are waiting for their attorney, if you do not hear your name called, or you do hear your name called, nobody answers for you, that's okay. We will get to you, so don't worry about it. Mr. Joyner, what you got?
Judge, I spoke with Brett. He's gonna go down to the court to put recommendations in the file. So I said I'd circle back with him next week so we can start making arrangements to get these closed out. So.
Okay, that's fine. Just bring them on by when I'm there.
All right, thanks, Judge.
All right.
Take care.
State of Texas versus Michael Sanchez, Mr. Gebbia. Anybody, Mr. Gebbia's office? State of Texas versus India Jackson, Mr. Coronado. State of Texas versus Jarek Ramirez, Mr. Gile. State of
Present,
Texas
Your Honor.
versus- Okay, sir, we'll wait for your attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
State of Texas versus Harrison Jones, Mr. Valchek.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here in the courtroom. Can you
Okay.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
I told Mr. Jones to log on at 12 because that's what the docket said. And so he's not present right now, but check with
Oh,
the
that's
clerk.
okay.
They said 10.
That's okay. Yeah, it's supposed to be 10 o'clock. That's an error on the,
That's a trial setting and we're ready.
okay. Did you want to confer or are you just ready to go?
We'll confer, I'll confer, yeah.
Okay, let me put you in breakout room 2. Who
Okay.
else is in the courtroom? What other attorneys in the courtroom?
Glenn Payne for Moses and Moore, Judge. We recalled him from last week.
Okay,
We're waiting on some plea paperwork from the state. I'm trying to hash out a few little issues.
actually, the plea paperwork will come from Stephanie. And then she's trying, I think she's trying to log on. She was having some issues. So
Okay.
she should be there in the back. So is your client there in person or is he on Zoom?
He's in person, Judge. So
Okay.
we're gonna fill it out in person here.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's fine. Just go ahead and fill it out, take it to the clerks in the back, and they'll scan it and send it to me, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Valchek, let me put you in breakout room 2.
Okay.
There we go. State of Texas versus Antonio Carmona, anybody from Mr. Calfa's office?
I'm here.
Okay, sir, just sit tight.
Sure.
State of Texas versus Timothy Tucker, Mr. Carroll. Reset. State of Texas versus Arturo Tapia, Ms. Echo. State of Texas versus John Guzman, Mr. Stenberg, not hearing it. State of Texas versus Danielle Smith. State of Texas versus Dorian Rivera, Mr. Ron Ross. State of Texas versus Jennifer Cortez, Mr. James Hunt.
Here, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am, we'll wait for your attorney.
Thank you.
State of Texas versus Lamaray White, Mr. Edward Garza.
Judge Finn is present in the courtroom.
Thank you. State of Texas versus Jose Garza, Mr. Victor Gomez. State of Texas versus Dillian Hornstein, Ms. Corby. And State of Texas versus Dante Sabines, Mr. John Pettis. Okay, let's see, Mr. Abasi Major, who do you have, sir?
I have a off docket matter, Judge. May I be placed in breakout room 2 with Brett Boyce? I need to
Yes.
confer on something.
Okay, go ahead
Thank
and
you,
go into
Judge.
breakout room number 2. There we go. Tim Roundtree, what you got?
Judge, I've got Edward Davila. It's a jury call docket. I'm going to announce not ready, but I would like to confer.
Okay, let me put you in breakout room 2 with Mr. Boses. There you go. Let's see, Mr. Rocha, what's your workout, sir?
Your Honor, I received the information that I needed. I just need to speak to my client real quick and get paperwork ready for a plea if the court will be taking pleas today. Otherwise, I will need another.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Will your client require an interpreter or no?
I don't believe so, Your Honor, no.
Okay. Mr. Fidencio Rodriguez, are you on the Zoom?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, you're on the Samsung?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, I'm gonna go ahead and put you in a breakout room with your attorney. You're gonna receive an invite on your phone on the screen that says to join breakout room number 6. Just click on that button and Mr. Rocha will be in there momentarily.
Okay.
There you go, Mr. Rocha.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Rebecca Garza, okay, you're my court reporter for today, right?
Yes, Judge. Good morning.
Okay. Any other attorneys on the screen that I have not spoken with? Attorneys only. Okay, everyone else, if you heard your name
Yes.
called or did not hear your name called, that's fine. Just stay on the Zoom. Keep yourself muted until the court addresses you. You can keep your camera on or you can turn it off. It's totally up to you. But like I said, just keep yourself muted until the court addresses you. Thank you. Linda Corley, what you got?
Yes, Judge, this is not only is it off docket, but it's a different court. I was told that you're presiding today.
Yes.
And I have a client that just hired me this weekend. I put in a notice of appearance, but I don't think it's been accepted by the clerk yet this morning. But he, to give you some background, he had gotten charged with a felony obstruction. And that case was dismissed and refiled as a misdemeanor DWI. And they issued a warrant. And so they did all this on Friday. And my client had already bonded out on the felony, so he needs to bond out on the DWI. And we would like for him to be able to do that at the satellite, but of course there's no bond set because it's technically a new case. And I wanted to see if it's possible to get a bond set on that case so he can turn himself into satellite office, or if you can magistrate him online, or I don't know how we can do that.
We can't magistrate him because we don't. He has to go to basically be turned into the South Tower. Because now when we set bond, we have to run TCIC and NCIC. And although we've taken the requisite hours for it, they have not given any of the judges the clearance yet to run the TCIC or NCIC.
Oh, no.
So that's why they have to be turned into the South Tower. Because they've got the TCIC, NCIC clearance over there because of all the bookings. So, I mean, even if I magistrate him, I can't set bond for him.
So, okay. So until that gets fixed, we're just kind of stuck.
Judge, you still on?
I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. So basically you have to turn them in at the South Tower until that, that's not the county, that's the state. We've been waiting for the state to send us the requirements and, when you're dealing with government red tape.
I really am familiar with that, Judge.
Yeah. And I apologize. I wish I had
No,
better.
it's not your fault.
Once they give it to me, it'll resolve so many issues, or not just to me, but to all the judges.
Right.
It'll resolve so many issues, and hopefully we can move forward past this.
Okay. No, I appreciate the information. I'll let my client know. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Judge on Lemery, how you pronounce it? Lamarie White.
Huh?
Felony pending. Stephanie reset it for February 1st.
What's the case number on it?
That's on 693-791.
Okay. Lamaray White, are you on the Zoom? Or
He's
is
in
he- oh, in the
person.
courtroom? Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
If it's been reset, that's cool. He's good to go.
Hi, Judge.
Mr. Rocha, what you got?
Your Honor, we're ready to proceed with the plea today on adjudication, and we just need paperwork at this point.
Okay, can you send Stephanie your client's email address in the chat?
Yes, Your Honor, I'll go do that right now.
All right, she'll get it to you. Mr. Sheffield,
Good morning, Judge.
how are you, sir?
Good. I apologize for being a little late, Your Honor.
No problem.
Your Honor, I have Alvin Coleman, Your Honor.
Okay, it's an
If I could-
MTR?
Is it an MTR, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's an MTR.
Okay.
Hey,
If I could
Judge.
speak to,
On this individual, he's actually on the line with me also. He's having trouble logging in via Zoom.
Okay,
Right.
I'm showing him a
He's
fugitive, so
contacted
double
me.
check that.
I gave him the info and he's saying the code isn't working for some reason.
Okay, let me put you in a breakout room with the state and with Officer De Hoyos, and y'all can discuss what's going on. Go into
Great.
breakout room number 1.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Elisa, breakout room 1, please.
Yes, Judge.
There we go. Let's see here. Mr. Wilson, Donald Wilson.
Yes, sir, Judge. I've conferred with Ms. Thompson on Mr. Caldera, and she's telling me that Brett, who I've spoken with in the past, is handling this case, and he is going to email me an offer because we still don't have an offer on this case.
Was this a county court 2 transfer?
I'm not aware.
Let me double check, because if so, it's on its 10th setting. That means I'll have to set it for trial. Stephanie, it was Mr. Caldera. I'm sorry.
No, we had a felony pending for a long time, and the felony has been resolved.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and give you one more pretrial. I'll give you January 18th. Okay.
Okay.
And like that, you can go ahead you can go ahead and see if you can work it out by then. Okay.
Okay. And it was January the what?
18th.
18th. All right. Thanks, Judge. May
All
we
right,
be
sir. Have a good
excused?
one.
All right. Thanks.
Okay. Joe Statesman, what's your work out?
Hello, Judge. On my client, Noberto Casanova, we have a conditional dismissal offer that would dispose of this. He would have to make a one-time payment to a food bank and an online class if you could take this
Okay.
off the trial docket.
Okay, we'll give you January 18th. And if not, it will immediately go back on the trial docket for the following week. Okay.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
All righty. Charles Peters, what you got?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Michael Sanchez, and I'll need to confer.
Michael Sanchez. Okay, let's break out with room 1. There you go. Mr. Arnulfo Ortiz, what you got? Stephanie, when's the trial date?
Judge, give me 1 second.
Okay.
No problem. And Judge, I'm sorry, I had Mr. Glenn Payne in here. We're trying to resolve something on his cases. His cases have been reset, felony pending. He's trying to get something resolved on them.
Okay.
And he'll.
So there's no plea for Mr. Payne?
No, Judge.
Okay.
Okay, what else did you need? I'm sorry.
I needed the actual trial date. It's not next Wednesday, right?
No, I gave you 213.
No, the actual.
Oh, the trial date. I'm sorry. No, it's not. It's going to be the 16th, Judge. Well, give me 1 second. Yes, the 16th.
November 16th?
Yes, it gets pushed back. This one gets pushed back.
Okay, 1:30. Okay, thank you. Mr. Ortiz, what you got?
Last time we were here, I said to the court that there were some videos for me to review. It makes me look even guiltier. So we're gonna do that. The staff tells me that that's not what we're here for, the DUI. We're here for unlawfully carrying. I
Yes.
asked if it's related to the same thing and I didn't get the answer. Yes, it is related. So we're gonna do a plea, but man, I'm busy and presiding right now. Can we set me up for later this week? For a
Yeah,
plea?
Stephanie, can we give Mr. Arnulfo a plea? How about Friday, Arnulfo?
No problema, right? No
In
problema,
person.
Your Honor.
In person, okay?
Yes, we can
In
do Friday.
person, I'll be there.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah, and I voted for you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Much appreciated.
Okay, so we got him 11-4 for a plea. Got him.
Hello, Miss Joanne. How are you?
I'm well, Judge. How are you doing?
Good, good. What's going on with Mr. Tapia?
Judge, I don't have any contact with Mr. Tapia. His
All
telephone
right.
number doesn't work unless he's there in person.
No, he's not in the courtroom. Well, I guess Javier Salazar will have to go look for him.
All right, Judge. May I be excused then?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks.
Hi, Stephanie. This is Jose Rocha.
Yes, sir.
I was just wondering if you got my client's email address.
Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I was looking at my emails and not my chat box. Yes, I got it. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. I'll send paperwork right now.
Thank you.
Mr. Rochan, this is going to be on Fidencio Rodriguez, correct? 629-587. Perfect.
Yes, thank you. And he is also on right now if you have any questions.
Okay, no, you should be getting paperwork within the next minute or so. It's processing.
Perfect. Thank you.
Mhm.
Elisa, did y'all work something out with Sean Sheffield?
He's speaking to, well, I believe he needed to get a hold of the client.
Okay. What you got, Tim? Tim Roundtree?
Judge, could you put me back in the breakout room with Brett, please?
Yes, sir. Breakout room number 2. And there you go. Mr. Jarek Ramirez.
Present, Your Honor.
Okay, sir. Have you talked to Mr. Healy?
No, sir, but I had I shot him a text message last week that I was
Okay.
having court on today, so I'm just.
Okay, not a problem, sir. You look like you're working. Go ahead and get back to work. And I'll let Mr. Healy know you were here, okay?
Okay, yes, sir.
All right, have a good one.
Thank you. Bye.
Mr. Peters, what you work at? Charles Peters, you there? Mr. Peters, can you hear me?
Hi, Judge.
There you go.
Not hearing you for some reason.
You can't hear me?
I can't hear you.
Oh, no. How about now?
Still no. Don't know what happened to your mic, but
I can hear him.
guess I was able to talk to the DA about an offer. If Mr. Sanchez is on the Zoom, I can discuss that with him real quick.
Okay, Stephanie, tell me, can you hear Stephanie, or Stephanie?
Can you hear me?
Send him a message, tell him.
No, I can't hear anybody. This might be me.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want me to send him a chat?
Yeah. Can you hear us now?
I can hear you now.
Okay, good. So you want to go into a breakout room with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Michael Sanchez, are you on the Zoom? No, sir, he's not on the Zoom.
All right, let me give him a call real quick.
Okay, just let us know what you're gonna do, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
I will be available in 45 minutes.
Mr. Bizana, what'd you work out? I mean, yeah, Mr. Bizana, what'd you work out?
Oh, Judge, so we're here on both, on two cases, but on this first one, Hannah Garcia,
Okay,
we filed a motion for blood discovery in August of 2021.
Okay.
They're telling us that they still don't know if there's a signed order or not. I notified them that our office was told in this past June that there was a signed order, so he's looking into it. He said he emailed the clerks and he's trying to find out if that blood discovery was ever
okay.
provided to us.
So, let me check, let me get Mr. Bose's, you spoke with Mr. Bose's?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they're announcing, I guess they're gonna announce not ready?
It sounds like it. He just told me that he was to let you know that he was waiting to find out if that was gonna be able to come through or not, but that he was waiting for a response.
Well, I'll tell you what, we're gonna leave you on for trial for 11/16 at 1:30 in the afternoon with your client on that one. And if they
Okay.
don't come through with it, they can burn their not ready beforehand.
Okay.
Okay, and what about your other one? Who else you got?
The next one is Antonio Carmona.
Oh, yeah.
We just got an offer. We needed to, I need to discuss it with the client and see what he wants to do. We just got that offer.
Okay. It's on the trial docket, so we'll leave it on for November 16th at 1:30, okay?
Yes, sir.
If you find out sooner than that the individual wants to plead, then please give us a call and we will take your plea in person.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Have a good one, sir.
Judge, who is he announcing for?
For Neil Calvin's office.
Oh, okay.
All right, Mr. Peters, what'd you work out?
All right, so we are going to be accepting the, so there's a deferred offer, we're going to accept that. I did have one question, and I know this varies from judge to judge. Do you give any credit for the time that the individuals have had the ignition interlock on during pretrial without having violations?
I don't give them credit for it, but what I will do is half of the term, which they're going to give them half of ignition interlock. Well, let's say they give them 6 months ignition interlock. At the 3-month point, if they have no violations, and I mean no skip blows, no high blows, no nothing, the court will consider removing the apparatus.
Perfect, Judge. I can work with that. Okay. would you like us to try to do paperwork today, or do we want to reset it for a plea date?
If you want to try and do paperwork today, it's fine with me. If you can get him on.
I think it'll work out better if I can do a quick reset for a week or so to do paperwork.
How about we because I'm starting to take most of my pleas in person. Can you bring him
you
in
are?
person?
I think that works fine as well.
Okay. Well, bring him by sometime next week. Let's say, let's check a day we got here. Friday the 4th, maybe.
All right, let me look at that. Let's see. Yeah, let me see if he can be there on Friday, Judge.
Okay, if not, we can do Thursday or even the following Friday, the 11th. Mr. Sheffield, what's your work at?
Yes, Judge. Regarding Mr. Coleman, we're asking for a 30-day reset. He owes some money on this and trying to get some money to pay back. So we're hoping to finish it out in 30 days.
We'll give you January 18th, okay?
January 18th. Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Have a good one.
Thank you. You take care.
Mr. Abassi Major, what's your work at?
Judge, I've conferred with the state on Michael Miller at 695692 regarding it's an off docket case, Judge.
Oh, okay.
He has a GPS partial house arrest condition, and the state is unopposed to removing that GPS condition.
Okay, just get your paperwork filed and label it agreed order.
Yes, Judge.
And shoot that to, well, you have to e-file it. And once it hits my box, I will go ahead and take action on the motion.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
All righty.
All right, Judge, let's do the 11th.
Okay, we'll see the 11th in person.
Sounds good, Judge. See you then.
All right.
Judge, who was that one on? He wasn't on today's docket, was he?
Yes, he's here for Bobby Gebbia.
Oh.
On 670522, Michael Sanchez.
That was for 11/11.
You haven't heard from Rick or Efren on Miss Angelica Fuentes?
No, Judge, but I believe she has I don't know if she's the one who has a felony pending.
Because one of them, yeah, maybe you're right, there maybe felony pending.
Yes. Judge,
Yes.
have we received our new orders? I tried looking earlier and I didn't see anything.
What, do we see what?
Our orders for this month, if we're going to do in person or Zoom.
No, we haven't received anything.
Okay, I haven't sent out Docket because people are calling, they don't know what to do, and do you want to just do Zoom as for now?
Let me check with Didi.
Okay, yeah, I just didn't want to send it out and.
Yeah, I'll be right back. Hang on.
Okay.
Stephanie, this is Jose Rocha.
Yes, sir.
I have a CPS hearing that I need to attend to really quick. I don't know if you received the paperwork already. I know that I've signed it on my.
I received yours. Let me check where if your client's filled it out just yet. Not yet. And I have rodriguezprivatecare@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's what I have on my records.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, have you received the paperwork from the court just yet?
And I'll be right back.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning, Stephanie. It's Jonathan.
Hi, good morning, Jonathan.
Hey, so we got stuck in trial last week, but I have my client. He's online, and I'm just going to make sure I have the paperwork to enter for the plea.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if I have anything in the email, and I guess if not, if
I don't
you could put
remember
me.
if we did it on. I don't think we did, Jonathan. I think because it was going to be in person.
I got you. I got you. What
Can you send me his email address and we can get it? I can send it right now.
Yeah, sure thing. And we're just going to be going on the DWI on the one case.
And send me your email address where you want to receive your the plea paperwork also.
Okay, you got it. I'll send you both. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tim Roundtree, what you got?
Or Judge, so I had announced not ready on Edward Davila, and that is still true. However, the state's going to review, and Brett's going to try to send me an offer after he checks my guys out of county, and I believe the offer will resolve it. But if we could just stay where we are for now.
Okay, we'll give you February 13th for call docket.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a
And what
great
about
week.
your second one?
Oh, I didn't talk about that one. Which one, Judge?
I thought I had you in the second one. Maybe not.
Well,
Nope.
between the two of us, if one of us made a mistake, it was probably me.
No. It was me. I thought I had seen your name on here twice, but no, I guess not.
All right.
All right. Yeah, that's it.
All right. Thanks, Judge. See
Yes,
ya.
sir. Have a good one.
Bye, Steph.
All right. Take care.
Okay, Stephanie, I looked it up. I went ahead and sent you both of them, mine and his.
Okay, I received them. I'll send it right now.
Okay, thank you. And good morning, Judge.
Morning, man. How you doing?
Doing good, doing good. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you. Steph, are you having problems with your email? Mine doesn't want to seem to load.
Yes, I was judged this morning.
Hey, Stephanie, is Brett around by chance?
He should be in the breakout room. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Yes, he's in breakout room 2. Did you need to speak with him?
Yeah, just oh, okay, here he is. If you could put it in the room.
Okay, yes, I'll go ahead and.
Mr. Valchek, what's your workout, sir?
Judge, we're both ready for trial. We're not excited about going on next Wednesday, but anyway, that's our announcement.
It won't be next Wednesday. It will be. Oh no, that's this coming Wednesday, right?
Or
Steph.
Yeah. That's what Brett said was when this call docket's going to, but we're both looking into this to try to see if there's some compromise.
No, so this call docket would go for the 16th, actually.
The 16th, yeah.
Okay.
That's right, yeah, that's for the 16th. I'm sorry. I'm losing my marbles here. So we'll see you in the courtroom on November 16th at 1:30, sir.
At 1:30. Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
Stephanie, they've received no new order yet, so Brooke's looking into it.
Okay, Judge, I just don't want to send out anything yet if we don't know.
Yeah, well, hold on.
Okay.
Steph, I signed the paperwork on Mr. Rodriguez.
Okay, I'll shoot it back to you. Mr. Rocha went to a CPS hearing real quick. He'll be back shortly.
Okay. Mr. Stenberg, how are you, sir? Mr. Stenberg, can you hear me?
Oh, very well.
Okay.
I'm somewhat confused. I got a notice we're set for trial, but then I got a notice it's by Zoom. It's just like the docket call for trial.
Yes. Yeah, this is a docket call on
All right.
John Guzman.
Yes, sir.
All righty. What do you want to do on Mr. Guzman?
Is he here?
Yes, sir.
He was here earlier, but he was working. He was driving. So I let him take off because you could tell he was driving a large truck.
Okay.
I'm here.
Oh, you're here?
I'm
Okay,
here,
I guess
sir.
I'm thinking of someone else. John
Let me-
Guzman is here.
Let me go into a breakout room with him, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Guzman, go ahead and go. I'm sorry, that was the wrong individual. That was Mr. Jarek Ramirez. Mr. Guzman. Go, you're gonna see on your screen an invitation to go to the breakout room 5, okay? Mr. Stenberg, breakout room 5.
Thank you.
Hey, Judge, it's Jonathan. I'm back. I just need to get placed in a breakout room with my client, Dante Abinas, so we can finish the paperwork.
Okay. Mr. Habib's going to breakout room number 7 with Mr. Pettis.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, let's see here. There you go. Joe Acevedo, what's going on?
Judge, I'm over here in Atascosa.
Okay. What do we got? Miss Adrienne Garza is set for trial. Did you want to confer with the state on that?
Let me check it, Your Honor.
You have Adrienne Garza and you have Rosemary Salcedo, both for the same charge, same type of charges.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll confer with them.
Okay, I'll put you in breakout room number 2 with Mr. Bosis. Brett, breakout room 2, please. Mr. Stenberg, what you got? You're muted, sir.
All right.
Okay.
If I could be put in a breakout room with the ADA, otherwise we're ready for trial.
Okay, sir, breakout room number 1 with Miss Thompson.
All righty. Thank you.
Go into the meeting to get you over there. There we go. Steph, I sent the paperwork on Mr. Habenes.
Hey, Stephanie, it's Jonathan. I'm back. I think he's done all of it. Can you just make sure that he's done it all correctly?
It's all done. I just signed it, John.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Be with you in just a second.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Cox.
Good morning, Judge.
How are
I
you,
have
sir?
two. Fine. I think I have
Great.
two. Yes, on Destiny Garcia and a Keith Miles.
Yes, sir.
I need to speak.
Ms. Garcia is set for on the trial call docket.
Yeah, and I'll talk to the prosecutor, Judge.
Okay.
And on Miles, I'd like to talk to the prosecutor.
Okay, let me put you in breakout room number 1
Okay.
with Ms. Thompson. Steph, I'm gonna step away for just a second, okay?
Okay, Judge. What was that, Mr. Acevalo?
I finished conferring on Adriana Garza. State is taking not ready, and on Rosemary Salcedo, it looks like it was granted pretrial diversion.
Okay, Brett, is that correct? Pretrial on Rosemary Salcedo?
Yes, I'm showing that she was accepted on all, it looks like she is 4 on all 4 of her cases. And then, yeah, Adriana Garza, I don't think the state's announced not ready before, but yet I would need to use the not ready today.
Okay, no problem. 12:13.
Okay.
I'm sorry, 2:13. not 1213.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Okay. And that'll be no, both not ready. So the next time there's no not readies on both sides.
213-22.
Yes. 23.
23, I'm sorry. Okay, may we be excused?
Yes, you may be excused.
Okay.
Hey, Brett, I sent you a little chat. Oh, I got it. Okay. Thanks.
Hi, Ms. Reyes.
Yes.
This is John Guzman. Did they reset my case? I talked to Joe Stumberg, but we were on the chat on the
Give me 1 second.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, your case was reset to January the 18th. Or wait, I'm sorry, give me 1 second.
Okay, because there's 3.
You're on the trial docket. You're on the trial docket. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
State, were y'all ready on that case?
Excuse me?
1 second, sir. I'm talking to the state.
Oh, okay.
What's the cause number, Stephanie?
On John Guzman, 679471. It was with Mr. Stumberg. Stemberg, sorry. It's a trial case. There's 2 cases, 662625 and 679471.
Are you taking Judge Jimenez's place today?
Oh, there you are. Mr. Stenberg, on Mr. John Guzman, what was y'all's announcement?
We're ready for trial.
Okay.
Joe, could I confer with you in a breakout room?
Okay. How do I do this?
Stephanie, could you
Yes.
put him in breakout room 2 with me?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll go ahead and confirm.
Mike Hernandez. Oh, he's on the phone. It's all right, man. Take your time.
No, Judge, I was talking to my son.
Okay.
You know how that goes. You're supposed to tell you to. For some reason, I can't send a message to Brett.
Because he's in the breakout room.
Oh, okay. I think we have an agreement on a plea for Mr. Rodriguez.
Okay.
I sent Stephanie an email telling her that, and I sent her his email address. So if we could do the paperwork, and Brett even said he would reduce it a little bit on the fine, my client would be glad to take it. Now, I was a little concerned because the email I got said this setting was for 12:00 a.m. So I didn't know whether to get on last night at midnight or tonight at midnight. And I thought maybe, hey, Halloween, but I wasn't sure. So
we might have to we may have to reset the plea, Mike, because I got some stuff. That's why I'm working from home today. I got some stuff I got to take care of.
You're already going trick or treating, yeah?
No, I already got my costume, man.
Before the race, yeah. I'm a judge. Sure you are. No, really, I am. Yeah, sure you are.
Did you want to confer with Brett?
No, we have a deal. It's a it's gonna be a $350 fine or $650. They'll probate 300. Court cost 12 months, probated for 15. The regular DWI VIP, 48 hours, tap, all that. There's no restitution because his insurance took care of it. So my guys got it. I gave Stephanie the deal. If you want to reset it, that's fine with me.
Yeah. Actually, Mike, I think we're going to start doing in-person pleas, man.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
So we can reset you for next week, maybe, or even later on this week, if you want.
Let me. Well, it's up to you how you want to do it.
I will probably be in tomorrow. If not, I'll be there Thursday.
Thursday would be good.
Okay, come on in Thursday.
All right, Thursday, 9:00, County Court 4, Jose Rodriguez.
10 o'clock.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, 10 o'clock. That's all right, because I got to be at 1 at 9. Just County Court 4 plea. All right.
Okay, sir. See you then.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
He may log on, and I'll try to reach him. But if not, I'll tell him Thursday. Thank you very much, Judge. Appreciate it.
All right. Good seeing you, man. Take care.
You too. Same here.
All right. Let's see. As soon as Brett is done with Mr. Stenberg, we will take up Mr. Habina's plea. Okay, Mr. Stenberg, what'd you work out, sir?
If I could be put in a breakout room with my client, I think we have a deal.
Okay, that's on John Guzman, correct?
John Guzman.
Okay, Mr. John Guzman, go into
Yep.
breakout room number 5. Just put rejoin breakout room, Mr. Guzman.
Okay.
Mr. Stenberg, go into breakout room 5.
Thank you.
There you go. Okay, Brett, we're gonna take up a plea on 629832, okay?
Okay.
John Pettit, are you on? Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Mr. Habinas, are you on?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, court's on the call, cause number 629832, State of Texas versus Dante Habinas. Can I have counsel identify themselves for the record, please?
Brett Bosis for the state.
And Jonathan Pettis for Mr. Albinas.
Mr. Habinas, will you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Habinas, I'm going to show you a document on the screen titled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference. Have you had an opportunity to go over this document with your attorney, and is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that by signing this document, you're telling the court you want to give up your right to an in-person plea and would like to proceed forward with a plea before the court today via video conference? Is that what
Yes,
you
Your
wanted to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign this document intelligently, knowingly, and of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
The document is signed and made part of the record. We're here today, sir, because the state has you charged by information with the offense of driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol content of 0.15 or higher. State wish to make a motion on that.
Yes, Judge, state will waive the over 0.15 enhancement and proceed on this as a DWI first class B.
Any objections?
No objections.
Being no objection from your attorney, sir, you're now charged by information with the offense of driving while intoxicated. First offense, which is a class B misdemeanor, punishable from a $0 fine to a $2,000 fine and from 72 hours in jail up to 180 days in jail. Do you understand the charge and the range of punishment?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now showing you a document titled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Have you had an opportunity to go over this document with your attorney, and is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that by signing this document, you're telling the court you want to give up your right to a jury trial, among other important rights, and would like to proceed forward with a plea before the court today? Is that what you wanted to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign this document intelligently, knowingly, and of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
The document is signed and made part of the record. Are you a citizen of the United States, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a citizen, any plea of guilty or no contest could result in deportation, exclusion from the country, and or the denial of naturalization. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the representation of your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, how long have you represented your client?
Longer than 10 days, Judge.
Have you found him to be mentally competent?
Yes, sir.
Was he able to assist you in any possible defenses?
He was.
And do you feel he has a factual as well as rational understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, sir, I do.
Mr. Arbenas, to the offense of driving when intoxicated, first offense, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Is there a plea agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. The agreement is for 15 months of deferred adjudication, a $500 fine plus court costs, 48 hours of community service, the DWI education class, the victim impact panel, the TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, and $60 restitution to DPS. And the state is going to take into consideration cause numbers 549489 and 608405.
That's the agreement, counsel?
I'm just making sure that those are the correct cause numbers, Your Honor.
Okay.
Brett,
Mr.
do you got 608405?
Let me double check.
Okay, thank you, Brett.
Mr. Arbenas, are you currently in school for anything, or do you have any prior military service?
Yes, sir. I am a prior service Air Force disabled veteran.
Thank you, sir.
Judge, if I may.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, I show states taking into consideration cause number 608405, which is resisting arrest, and 549489, which is a DWLI enhanced, driving while license invalid.
And that's our understanding, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Arbenas, I'll accept your plea of no contest, find the evidence sufficient to find you guilty. However, I'm withholding any finding at this time, sentencing you to a $500 fine plus court costs, 15 months deferred adjudication, 48 hours community service, DWI education, victim impact panel, TAP evaluation, ignition air interlock for half the term, and $60 to DPS for the blood draw. And the state will take into consideration cause number 549489 and 608405. In appreciation of your service to our country on behalf of County Court of Law number 4, I'd like to thank you. And additionally, I will probate half of your fine, so you only have to pay a $250 fine. And I will probate all of your community service hours because it's my opinion you've served your community more than enough in the Air Force.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I will set your supervisory fee at $60 per month. Counsel, are you satisfied the state has complied with Article 3914 of the code?
Yes, sir.
And have you signed or will you sign a discovery acknowledgement once you receive it?
Yes, sir. I just signed one.
Okay, that will be signed and made part of the record at the appropriate time. Mr. Arbenas, because I have followed your plea bargain, sir, you do not have a right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so your business before the court is done. The last thing I'm going to do is put you in the breakout room with Officer DeOyles. She will explain everything you have to do on probation. So please listen carefully, okay?
Yeah, and Your Honor, one more thing. Mr. Arbenas is currently using a vehicle for work. If we could place him on a Smart Start mobile system rather than the ignition interlock.
Normally, the Smart Start mobile has to come, will have to be with an affidavit of non-driving.
Okay, you got it, Judge. I'll get that to you.
Okay, so you're gonna do the Smart Start Mobile?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Smart Start Mobile in lieu of ignition interlock. With affidavit of non-driving.
And then Judge, I guess you'll have to give him permission to drive the work vehicle.
With permission to drive work vehicle. Okay, there you go. All right, sir, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 3 with Officer Doyos. Go ahead and go on in there and she will explain everything you have to do and as far as probation, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, John, thank you for your patience, man.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for taking us up.
All right, let me get Lisa in breakout room 3. And then there we go. There you go, sir. Okay, Mr. Stenberg, did you work some out? You're muted, sir.
If I could go back and talk with Brett.
Okay,
That was fine.
breakout room number 2. With Mr. Wilson's here. There we go. Mr. Cox, what'd you work out?
Judge, on the Destiny Garcia, that's going to be a dismissal.
Okay.
And my other case is Keith Miles. I've got a gracious offer on that one, Judge. I just need, if I can have some time to relay that to my client.
Well, he's on his 10th sitting. I'm gonna have to set him for
Offer that.
trial. I'm gonna have to set him for trial.
Well, okay, that's fine. That's
So
fine,
you're
Judge.
looking at February 13th, and maybe he can complete
February
everything he needs.
13th.
Yeah, February 13th.
Okay,
Hopefully he can
that's
complete
fine,
everything
Judge.
he
The
needs
day,
before
the
then.
day before Valentine's Day.
Yes, sir. There you go.
Judge.
Make sure you get all your shopping done, okay?
I appreciate that. The day before. That's a whole nother story. If we weren't online, I could fill you in on that. But sometime later on, just take
All right,
care.
man.
Appreciate it. I don't see Miss Candy this morning. She's not
No,
around.
we have Ms. Rebecca Garza sitting in for Miss Candy. She had something she had to attend to.
Okay. All right. Give her my regards. You all take care. Thank you very much. My
All right, sir.
excuse.
Have yourself a good day.
Thank you.
All right, is Mr. I thought I saw.
I'm talking to myself over here. I said Mr. Rocha's not here yet.
He logged on.
He logged back on?
He logged back on, but I guess he logged back off.
Oh, okay. I didn't see.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Get this one.
Did you get a hold of Rick or Ephraim?
It does have a felony pending, Judge. This individual she does.
All right, thanks.
Oops.
Stephanie Jose Rocha.
Yes, sir.
I was wondering if there's any
We're
updates.
just waiting on a DA and we'll take
Yes.
your plea up, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Not a problem, sir. Miss Rebecca, I hope I'm not talking too fast.
Oh, it's great, Judge. It's nice.
Okay. I have a tendency of talking fast and
Thank you.
Judge, did you want me to just send them via Zoom or what do you?
yeah, I guess send it via Zoom for now.
Okay, everybody's calling and I don't want to have people.
Yeah, just tell them right now it's via for now via Zoom, but it is subject to change upon the Supreme Court's ruling.
Okay.
So Ms. Jessica, we're going to take a plea. Is that all right?
That's fine, Your Honor.
It's on cause number 629-587. Double check that. Yeah, 629-587. Okay, court's on a call, cause number 629-587, State of Texas versus Fidencio Rodriguez. Can I have counsel identify themselves for the record, please?
Jessica Thompson.
Jose Rocha for Fidencio Rodriguez. Ready, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, can you please unmute yourself and turn your camera on? Mr. Rodriguez, can you hear me? Just tap on the microphone.
Right there.
There you go. There you go, sir.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, will you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Rodriguez, I'm going to show you a document on the screen titled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference. Have you had an opportunity to go over this document with your attorney, and is that your signature?
Yes.
Did you understand that by signing this document, you're telling the court you want to give up your right to an in-person plea and would like to proceed forward with a plea before the court today via video conference? Is that what you wanted to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign this document intelligently, knowingly, and of your own free will?
Yes.
The document is signed and made part of the record.
Yes.
We're here today, sir, because the state has you charged by information with the offense of theft of $100 to $750, which is a Class B misdemeanor, carrying a punishment range from a $0 fine to a $2,000 fine, and from 0 days in jail up to 180 days in jail. Do you understand the charge and the range of punishment?
Yes, sir.
I'm now showing you a document titled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Have you had an opportunity to go over this document with your attorney, and is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that by signing this document, you're telling the court you want to give up your right to a jury trial, among other important rights, and would like to proceed forward with a plea before the court today? Is that what you wanted to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign this document intelligently, knowingly, and of your own free will?
Yes, I did.
The document is signed and made part of the record. Are you a citizen of the United States, sir?
Yes, sir.
If you're not a citizen, any plea of guilty or no contest could result in deportation, exclusion from the country, and or the denial of naturalization. Do you understand? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with the representation of your attorney?
Yes.
Counsel, how long have you represented your client?
More than 10 days, Your Honor.
Have you found him to be mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was he able to assist you in any possible defenses?
Yes, he has.
And do you feel he has a factual as well as rational understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, to the offense of theft, $100 to $750, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Is there a plea agreement? Ms. Thompson?
Yes, there is, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Okay. Will be $150 fine plus court costs plus 8 months deferred plus 36 hours of community service plus anti-theft course.
Is that the ATSC course?
Yes,
Okay.
plus restitution in the amount of $520 to the complaining witness.
The name?
Your Honor, if I may, it's Yolanda Cortez.
Yolanda Cortez, okay.
And the only difference, and I guess it's a big difference, is that it's 6 months deferred adjudication probation, not
Or
8
6.
months.
Okay. Okay, and you said it was a $150 fine, Jessica?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, is that the agreement, counsel? Otherwise?
Yes, otherwise that would be the agreement, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Rodriguez, are you in school for anything, or do you have any prior military service?
No, sir.
Okay, sir. I'll accept your plea of no contest, find the evidence sufficient to find you guilty. However, I'm withholding any finding at this time. Sentencing you to a $150 fine plus court cost, 6 months deferred adjudication, 36 hours community service, the ATSE course, and restitution in the amount of $520 to the complaining witness, Ms. Yolanda Cortez. And I will set your supervisory fee at $60 per month. Counselor, are you satisfied the state to comply with Article 3914 of the code?
Yes, I do believe so, Your Honor.
And have you signed or will you sign a discovery acknowledgement to that fact?
I will sign the acknowledgement to that fact, Your Honor.
It will be signed and made part of the record at the appropriate time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, because I have followed your plea bargain, sir, you do not have a right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, sir.
Okay, so the last thing I want to do is put you in breakout room number 3 with Officer De Hoyos. She'll explain everything you have to do on probation. So please listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
You're going to receive an invitation to go into breakout room 3. Just click on that button and you'll be put in breakout room 3, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, before we end this hearing, could probation please look out for his financial information, because he's an appointed client and he was found to be destitute at the beginning of this case.
Let me put you in there with him, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, please join breakout room 3, sir.
Okay, sir. How do I do that?
It should tell you join breakout room.
It hasn't told me anything yet.
Okay, I'm going to put you in breakout room number 4, and then I'm going to move you back to number 3, okay?
Okay.
You should see it right now. Breakout room 4, you see anything?
No, sir.
Click on the, do you see 3 little dots on the bottom? Yeah, you have that. Just give me just 1 second. Mr. Stenberg, what'd you work out, sir? You're muted, Joe.
If I could go back with breakout room with my client, we have another offer.
And okay, and that would be with Mr. Guzman.
Mr. Guzman, I'm sorry.
Okay, go into breakout room number 6 with Mr. Guzman. Mr. Guzman, join breakout room 6, and Mr. Stenberg will be in there momentarily.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Bruce.
Judge, good morning. Afternoon.
Good, good. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You got some traffic tickets?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me put you in the breakout room with Mr. Boses. Breakout room 2,
Okay, thank you.
and then you decide what you're gonna do from there. All right.
Thank you.
Jennifer Cortez.
Yes, sir.
Who is your attorney, man?
My attorney is Mr. James Hunt.
Oh, James Hunt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See if we can get a hold of Mr. Hunt. Okay.
Okay.
Just sit tight, man. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Who's on the Zoom user?
This is Manuel Rodriguez. I was with our North Ortiz earlier.
Okay. Mr. Ortiz. Steph, when did Mr. Ortiz reset the case for?
He reset it for, I believe, give me 1 second. I don't want
Friday.
to. Yeah, I believe for the 11th.
Yeah. He reset your case for November the 11th, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. Have a good day.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Stenberg, what'd you work out? You're muted, sir.
He's going to take a jail sentence concurrent on the 2 DWIs and TIC the assault
Okay. When did you want to plead him?
this afternoon.
I won't be in today. I will probably be in tomorrow in person, and we will take care of it.
Come in person tomorrow?
Yeah, if he, is it gonna be a JSAT or is it gonna be,
No judgment satisfied.
okay, bring him in tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock and we'll take up the plea and he will go into custody tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, sir. Have a good one.
I'd be put in a breakout room with my client and then I'll go.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Just put, click rejoin breakout room. Joe?
Yes, sir.
Will it let you do that? There you go. Oh, it threw him off.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
My lawyer's not picking up.
Okay. I want to have my court coordinator call him.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
For some reason, I could not get to the breakout room.
Well, for some reason, who was your client again? John Guzman?
John Guzman.
Okay,
We'll
Mr.
be
Guzman,
here.
are you there, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm
We'll
gonna
be
put
here.
you both, okay.
That's
I'm
all
gonna
right.
put
We'll
you
be
both in
here.
breakout room number 5. So Mr. Guzman, join breakout room 5, and Joe, breakout room number 5 as well, okay?
And
Yes,
after
sir.
that, I'll leave and see you at 10 o'clock in the morning.
All right. All right, Bruce, what'd you work out?
Yeah, we worked it out, Judge. He dismissed the Emily Morales case
Okay.
and then offered me deferred on Marilyn Forshawn with TIC, the FTA.
Okay. You can, if you want to come by my office tomorrow, I'll be there, and if I can work some little bit of magic there
Yeah,
for you.
that's fine. I can be there on Thursday. Is that all right?
I'll be there.
Okay. All right, Judge. Thank you very much. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Stephanie, did you get a hold of James Hunt? He didn't show up yesterday either.
No, I called him and I sent him an email. His phone goes straight to voicemail, actually.
We'll go ahead and reset his client and we'll deal with him.
Okay. Ms. Cortez,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to go ahead and reset your case. It's going to be reset for January the 18th.
Okay, at 10 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
If you want to call the court beforehand, because we don't know by then if it'll be Zoom or it'll be in person, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. You have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. I can't believe tomorrow's going to be November already. Jesus.
Yes, it is. Ms. Rebecca, we're done with our pleas. You're welcome to log off if you want.
Oh, thank you so much, Judge. It was a pleasure.
Thank you very much. It was very kind of you to log on for us.
Happy to help, Judge. Hope you have a good day.
You too. Have a good one.